Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be repairing this Dell Inspiron 245400 all-in-one computer that a client is having us repair. We forgot to get footage of it cracked, so let's just get into the repair. We're going to start with using a pry tool to carefully separate the back panel from the computer. Next, we're going to remove the two stand legs so the computer can lie flat. After that, we remove the metal plate off of the motherboard. There are two screws holding the hard drive in place. Remove then and gently slide it away from the motherboard. Note some models will have a SSD rather than a hard drive. We're going to remove the webcam to access a screw underneath that we'll need to take out later when we remove the frame. Now we're going to disconnect all the cables running to the motherboard so we can remove it and access the screws underneath. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Now we remove the 7 screws holding the motherboard to the frame and place it aside. There are 11 screws holding the frame to the LCD screen, 2 are in the middle of the frame, and 9 around the sides. Then gently lift the top portion of the frame and pull down to remove it. Be careful not to catch the screen cables coming through the frame. Now we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. Now we're going to transfer the cables to the new screen. When you put the frame back on, make sure that the screen cables are coming out through the correct holes in the frame so they can plug into the proper ports in the motherboard. After that, we replace the screws on the frame and reattach the webcam. Then, you replace the motherboard and reattach all the cables and the hard drive to it. Then, all that's left to do is to replace the metal cover, the stands, and to gently press the back panel back into place. This is how you repair a cracked screen on a Dell Inspiron 245400 all-in-one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.